Does the word investing makes you feel uncomfortable? Do you feel it's too complicated, too risky, or it's just for rich people? Believe me, you are not alone. Financial anxiety is real, but it doesn't have to stop you from building wealth. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am Camilo Tovar, and today we're facing a huge psychological barrier: the fear of investing. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for building long term wealth, but anxiety keeps so many people stuck on the sidelines. In this video, I'll break down why it feels scary and give you 5 steps to conquer that fear so you can start investing with confidence, even if you're a total beginner. So, why do you feel anxious? Let me explain, because several psychological factors are at play. The first one, loss aversion. And this is a big one. Psychologically, the pain of losing money feels about twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining the same amount. Our brains are wired to avoid loss, making the risk of investing seem greater than the potential returns. Two, fear of the unknown and complexity. The financial world uses jargon, charts that look intimidated, and there seems to be endless options of possible investments. This complexity triggers anxiety because we fear of making a mistake in something we don't understand. 3. Collective behavior and fear of missing out. It all goes around fear because we see news about market crashes, that's when we feel fear. Or we hear stories of people getting rich quick and we feel the fear of missing out, leading to emotional decision making rather than a rational strategy. 4. Analysis paralysis. It's so many choices: stocks, bonds, ETFs, crypto. The amount of options can be overwhelming, leading us to do nothing at all. Which of these fears resonates most with you? Share it in the comments. Acknowledging is the first step. Okay, so here are the 5 steps to conquer that anxiety. Step 1: educate yourself. Fear thrives in ignorance. Combat that complexity by learning the basics. You don't need a finance degree. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and many great financial YouTubers help you understand core concepts like compounding, diversification, where you learn how to not put all eggs in one basket, and the difference between stocks and bonds. Focus on the long term investment principles, not short term trading, at least at the beginning. Step 2: start ridiculously small. Overcome loss aversion and analysis paralysis by minimizing the initial risk. Start using micro investing apps like Fidelity, Acorn, and SoFi Invest, and invest just $20 to $50 in a broad market index fund ETF. The goal isn't huge returns yet. It's just to get comfortable with the process and see it's not that scary. Step 3: understand your risk tolerance. Investing involves risk, but how much risk are you comfortable with? This depends on your age, goals, and personality. Take some time to think, what kind of person are you? Are you the one that is okay with bigger swings for potential high returns? Or do you prefer slow and steady returns? Knowing this helps you choose investments aligned with your comfort level, reducing anxiety at the same time. Step 4: automate your investments. Just like with budgeting, automation beats anxiety driven decisions. Set up regular automatic contributions in your apps. This removes the emotional dilemma of, should I invest now, or is still a good price to buy, or should I wait for the price to go down? With this step, you can invest consistently, regardless of the market noise. Step 5: focus on the long game. Markets go up and down. That's normal. Anxiety spikes when you obsess over daily fluctuations. Remember, investing for building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Create a plan based on your goals and risk tolerance. Automate it and then take out the daily noise. Check your portfolio quarterly, not daily. If you're feeling a little bit less anxious about investing after hearing all these steps, hit that like button. So, in conclusion, investing anxiety is common driven by loss aversion, complexity, fear, and paralysis, but it's conquerable by educating yourself, starting small, understanding your risk tolerance, automating the processes, and focusing on the long term. You can overcome the fear and harness the power of investing to build that future you want. Ready to take control of your financial psychology? Subscribe for more practical tips. And if impulse spending is driven your potential investment money, you need to watch my next video because it is about stopping emotional spending with three powerful psychological hacks. I am sure you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I see you on the path to conscious wealth.